Ukraine's drone army keeps helping to destroy Russian anti-tank mines, sometimes just a few, but sometimes a lot more. Being able to do this cheaply, either by dropping grenades or hitting a pile of mines with a FPV drone, making so Russia doesn't place as many mines in the region, destroying more of their resources. Seen here again as a bunch of mines was placed next to a trench, letting a FPV drone to take care of the problem, resulting in a big explosion, leaving less mines for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.